Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Glory O'Kings. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys different ways to style this head scarf. So if you're someone, maybe you're wearing wigs and you also want to just tie a scarf on your hair, perhaps you're going to church or you just feel like wearing a scarf, this video is definitely for you. In this video I'm going to share a tip on how you can make your scarf stay on your head, and at the end of this video I'm also sharing the length and the type of fabric this is and where I get my scarves from, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Without further ado, we're going to go straight into the video.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. But sometimes you fall. 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 I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and then she could rely of a little lies to tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen it like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams, 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 living in my your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh.
Okay, so this is a scarf. It's a new scarf. I've not used it. I got it from, or the tag says it's from a brand called Ebruli, made in Turkey. Everything is still new. This is the brand name. Because you guys always ask me where I get my scarf from. I live in Istanbul, right? It's a Muslim country. They have all these random scarf stores around where I live. Like, I just have to go to the Maidan and just see random scarf stores. So that's where I usually get my scarves from. I don't buy them from any website. I'm going to check the measurements now. I'm going to be using this. Every time I'm doing a scarf tutorial, I never seem to find my normal regular tape, like the ones for clothing. It's always this one. Why? Am I a bricklayer? I don't know. I think it's because I know where I put this one. I also put the other fabric one in a specific place, but I can't remember the specific place I put it. But enough of that, let's start measuring. So I'm going to start with the width before the length, because this is a really long scarf. So I'm giving an estimate, not the exact thing, because I would need help to get like the specific measurement. So right here, 74. So it's currently on 74 centimeters. This is the centimeters tape. This is the width. So I'm going to attempt to measure the length. What I'm going to do is I'm going to measure it by hundreds. So this is 100. I would say 200 by 74 centimeters. So that's what I would say the measurement is. It's not 100% correct. It does not have any specific measurement on the tag, so that's why I have to measure it for you guys. So it's like 200 by 74 centimeters. And the fabric type, it's not really transparent, but it's, you can see through it, but it's one of those, it's like chiffon. Is this chiffon? No, this is not chiffon. This is not chiffon. Let me come closer to show you guys the fabric style. That's what the fabric looks like. I'm not very sure of what material it is, but it's, as you can see, it's not stretching in any way, shape or form. This is me stretching it out. It's not stretching. Nope, doesn't stretch. I do have some scarves that stretch, but this one said, I'm not stretching, sis. I'm not stretching with you. Hi y'all, so I've come to the end of this video. This is my final look. I just decided to just come in and show you guys how to style this, because I felt since I was wearing this top, I may as well use this scarf. I really like the styles. I think I don't know which is my favorite, but let me know your favorite in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. All right, bye.